Now, how are Moksh students preparing? Every student has a digital platform where global medical students, students from 10 different countries are preparing on this platform. You have access to live lectures, you have access to the question bank, you have access to the recorded content, and moreover, more and more live sessions where doctors and faculties are teaching patient cases. So I shall invite you to experience this, but at the same time, keep in mind what are your chances to get PG. Please understand that. Okay, this is very, very important for each one of you to understand. In India, for every 10 students applying, only one gets a PG seat. What about the rest 9? They have to pay 1 crore rupees to private medical college for a PG seat. That's how the competition is. If you compare it with America, for every 10 students, 6 are getting admission. This is based on the 2020 admission ratio, which is why maximum students from top medical schools in India early in their career from first, second year are preparing for USMLE. So it is very important that you keep options open. Moreover, I'm not sure if you guys have attended my earlier webinars of USMLE. And moment you hear about America, everybody feels it is expensive, very expensive. Reality is there is no tuition fee to do post graduation in America. In America, PG is free of cost. Where you pay crores of rupees, you pay in private medical colleges in India. In private medical colleges in India, you pay 1 crore rupees. In America, PG is free of cost. Unfortunately, many students are not aware of this, and which is why they don't realize the importance of preparing of USMLE exams in their career. They assume US means expensive. Incorrect information. In reality, Indian private colleges are expensive. So definitely all of you, especially now with the next examination, need to keep the US option open.